Here's how to import mogrt file in Premiere Pro. So importing mogrt files in Premiere Pro is very easy, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. First of all, go to Premiere Pro. When you're here, you have to open the Essential Graphics tab. So if you don't have that, no problem, just go to Window. When you're here, just go down and you'll see Essential Graphics. Just click on it and you'll see this. After going here, just click on this down right thingy on the plus icon. It says install motion graphics template. So when you click on it, I don't have any mogrt files right now, but if you have any mogrt files, just press on it and press open. It will bring up the mogrt file. So let's say you got multiple mogrt files. So what you have to do, I'm just gonna show you that. Let's say that let me find a file. I can't find any files, bro. But for an instance, let's say you got some mogrt files and you got a lot of like 10 to 20 mogrt files. So you just like do this, drag them over here. So just like this folder, I'm dragging it over here, and you can drag them. It will start the process of dragging them, and you can use them by like 10 to 20 seconds after that. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can import mogrt files in Premiere Pro. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.